We're going to do a deep dive right now on the Kaspa Industrial Initiative. This rabbit hole goes so deep, it starts to connect Kaspa not only to world governments, but energy sector resources, central banking, as well as PayPal. Starting off 365 days ago when we did our first 24-point report on Kaspa, uncovering all the juicy details, we found the original block DAG project. It wasn't Kaspa, contrary to popular belief. It was called Quitmir. Stationed directly in the Middle East, Quitmir runs its ASICs on top of oil refining rigs, utilizing that excess energy. We've been hearing in the news lately, Saudi Arabia is starting to decouple oil from the US dollar. It's a very sound hypothesis to start connecting payments in the oil industry directly to blockchain technology looking into the future. Meanwhile, this is exactly what KII specializes in. It's this gentleman right here named Paul Van Son, who has over 40 years of experience networking countries that are rich in energy resources, connecting them to the economic world. Right now, Kaspa's been working heavily around Africa. Meanwhile, Africa is one of the most resource plentiful countries on the globe. They've got timber, they've got gold, oil, and excess mining. Our original hypothesis from doing this report over a year ago, before the KII was even on the map, was that Kaspa would start to be used as a way of payment because it can jump over borders, getting back to that Kaspa as a digital payment narrative. Directly on the KII website, we can see supply chain management is one of the goals that KII has for the future of Kaspa. China, which owns a lot of lumber yards and mining pits directly in Africa, this will help streamline their operation. This is where Yes Capital comes into play. They're the original VC that seed-funded DAG Labs even before Polychain Capital was anywhere on the scene. Based out of Berlin, Germany, Yes Capital has a lot of connections to the euro itself, as well as central banking, which started to station in Berlin, Germany after World War II. They seed funded other projects in the supply chain management narrative, such as Quant, which was originally slotted to be a leader in this sector. As we can see, Kaspa has stepped up to completely dominate once again. One of the board members, Roselle here, looks to be a bit of a BlackRock minion. As we can see, she specializes in climate change task forces. BlackRock has recently came out with a new method of investing known as transition investing, where they focus on businesses that have the money to jump over these regulatory climate change hurdles. Even billionaire Mark Cuban says the majority of climate change is exactly that. It's a way for empowered businesses with more capital to put up hurdles for their competitors to jump over that they may or may not be able to afford. This is giving Kaspa a massive advantage. And with one of the goals of KII to focus on the stable coins for Kaspa, this is the team that's going to drive Kaspa to the absolute moon. We don't just cover Kaspa. Inside VIP, alongside the How to Vet Any Crypto project, which has 24 points ensuring that you overlook every detail that correlates with price action, we have over half a dozen of these reports already filled out. You can, of course, print them out, add them into your trading journal, or just keep them online where they have all of these links to different tools showing you dynamics behind the project itself. The majority of these reports are in artificial intelligence. We have the #1 GameFi project, which will be listed on exchanges this fall, allowing you the opportunity to get in on it first before anybody else even knows what it is. In 21 days or less, the crypto market is going to absolutely skyrocket. This is our final chance to load up on buy alerts like Tau, which we called out at $240 right at the low before it cornered, breaking entropy to the upside, with detailed links to our collection library explaining the technical analysis methods and tactics that were used to accurately give this call out. After the FOMC meeting takes place, that's where that old guy, Powell, gets up to the podium and addresses the nation on monetary policy. For the cryptocurrency market as a whole, it's almost like an earning report for a stock. It will cause the market to either tank or rocket, and we're looking to a bullish breakout on this report. So get ready. We've got leverage trade plans lined up for Kaspa and other cryptocurrencies. Buy alerts popping off left and right. We'll also be watching for new listings, which include any kind of meme coin created by popular Matt Fury, who just released Spike. He's the guy who designed Pepe and also this goofy one called Watt. Personally, I don't get into meme coins, but we do track them while we're searching for new listings in the AI or layer 1 department. Hands down, it's the best value VIP you will find anywhere, as well as the most profitable and accurate. Thanks for checking out this video, guys. We'll catch you on the next.